Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Momentum makes this collision super quick to solve. The blocks stick, so conserve momentum first, then turn that shared speed into kinetic energy. Watch this. Since the blocks stick together, this is a perfectly inelastic collision, so momentum is conserved. Initial momentum is m0 v0, and final momentum is the combined mass times the shared final velocity. The combined mass is m0 plus 1/2 m0, which is 3/2 m0. So m0 v0 equals 3/2 m0 times vf, giving vf equals 2/3 v0. Now compute final kinetic energy, 1/2 times 3/2 m0 times quantity 2/3 v0 squared, which simplifies cleanly to 1/3 m0 v0 squared. Well done! Option B, scan now. Trap, rushing energy. Rule, trust given values and check steps, because momentum stays conserved while kinetic energy does not.